Money at the beach. Can you look at the picture of the beach? Can you identify the different UK coins? Have a look. Some of them are hiding. Right, let's have a look. We'll go for the first one. First one, the smallest coin that we have is this one down here. Does anybody know what it's called? Bring it out. It's this one here. It is a penny. It's 1 penny. The next coin after the 1 penny with greater value is, it's got a similar colour to that one. Can you find it? Give you a clue. It's behind the bucket, the green bucket. It's over here. It's this one here, and it is the 2 pence. 2 pence. Now, 2 of these pennies are the same or equivalent as 1 2 pence. Next coin. We don't have a 3. If we have a look, we're looking for a number 5. I'm going to give you a clue. It is small, it is silver, and it is hiding behind a starfish. Can you find it? Look for the number 5. You can see the number 5. Where is it? It's here. It's down here. It's this one down here. I'll just move the starfish out of the way. And here it is. This is the number 5 down here. Now, although it's smaller, it's greater in value than one penny and a 2 pence. Okay, this one here, this 5 pence, 5 of these pennies are equal to or the same as 1 5 pence piece. And you'd have to have 2 2 pences plus 1 penny to equal a 5 pence piece. Next one after the 5 pence piece is another silver one. It's a silver round one. I'll give you a clue. It's hiding behind the green flip-flops. It is double 5. So it's this one over here. I think I've got to move the flip-flops first. Yeah, I do. Move the flip-flops. It's this one here. It is a 10 pence piece. 10 pence piece. Now that 10 pence piece is worth 10 pennies. It is worth 5 2 pences. And it is also worth 2 5 pences to equal the 10 pence. Next coin. You got 4 left. Next coin, it's got a strange shape to it. It's not round like the rest of them. Give you a clue, it's hiding underneath the umbrella and next to the 3 sandcastles. It's this one here. Just move the umbrella out of the way. It's this one here. It is a 20 pence piece. A 20 pence piece. 20 pence piece is equal to, it's the same as 2 10 pences, is equal to, is the same as 4 5 pennies. It is equal to the same as 10 2 pence pieces. It is equal to the same as 20 pennies. Okay. Next one is another silver one. It is to the left of the large sandcastle. It's over here. It's this one here. Just move the sandcastle out of the way. It is this one here. Now this one is a 50 pence piece. A 50 pence piece. 50 pence is worth 2 20 pences plus a 10, or 5 10 pences, or 25 pences, or 25 2 pences, or 50 pennies. Next one we have, just move the flip-flops again, is the £1 coin. The £1 coin, I'll give you a clue, it's to the left of the red starfish. It is this one here. Just move it up. Oh, sorry, beach ball. Get away. There we go. The £1. Now, £1 is worth 2 of the 50 pences. They're equivalent to the same as £1. We then have the 20 pences, you would need 5 20 pences to equal £1. You would need 10 pences to equal £1. You would need 25 pences to equal to £1. You would need, can anybody guess how many 2 pences would you need? You would need 52 pences to equal to £1. And you would need 100 pennies to equal £1. Okay, and the last coin is the largest coin that we have in circulation in the UK, and it is this one over here. It's a £2 coin. Okay, as you can probably guess, £2 coin. 2 of the £1 equals a £2 coin. 4 50 pences equals a £2 coin. 10 20 pences equals a £2 coin. 20 10 pences is the same as equivalent to a £2 coin. 40 5 pences is equivalent to, is the same as a £2 coin. Okay, and it just continues like that. So this is what all of our UK British coins look like. 1 pence, 1 penny, 2 pence, 5 pence, 10 pence, 20 pence, 50 pence, £1 and £2 coin. Right, let's have a look at our next slide. Right, let's have a look. Right, the first ice cream we've got today, it's an ice cream van. It is called the Cheapest Chips ice cream van because these ones are really cheap. Let's have a look at the first ice cream you can buy. The first ice cream is a vanilla ice cream. Now, this is the exact number of pennies you need to use to buy that ice cream. Can you have a look and count them up? How many pennies are there? How many pennies do you see? You ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pence. For that ice cream, it is 6 pence. Can you think of a different combination of coins you could use to buy that ice cream? We're going to come back to that a little bit later on. Right. Next on the Cheapest Chips ice cream van, we've got the vanilla ice cream down the bottom, but we've got a mint choc chip on top. Right, so for this ice cream, look how many pennies it costs. Can you count them up? How many's there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies. Can you think of equivalent coins that could be used to buy the ice cream? We're going to come back to that later on. Now, next one, feeling a bit hungry, so we're going to add a third ice cream. We're going to add a chocolate one as well. So we have got our vanilla ice cream, our mint choc chips in the middle, and then we've got a chocolate ice cream on top. This is how many pennies you need to use to buy the ice cream. How much does the ice cream cost? Right, we're ready to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It costs 14 pence. Can you think of equivalent coins to equal 14 pence? Right, like we said, we're going to go back to look at this one. So if you were going to buy the vanilla ice cream that costs 6 pence, you could use 6 pennies, or you could use the equivalence, which is 3 2 pences. 2, 4, 6. Therefore, 6 pence. You could also try a different combination using 2 coins. Can you think of which 2 coins it's going to be? Let's have a look, see if you're right. You could use a 5 pence plus a 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 pence. Now, if we remember back to adding the mint choc chip, it costs 10 pence, so you could use 10 pennies, or the equivalents using 2 pences would be 5 2 pence pieces. Let's count this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Can you think of a different combination? There's another combination you can use where it only uses 4 coins. Have a think. And here it is. You could use a 5 pence. 5 pence plus a 1 penny or 1 pence plus 2 pence plus 2 pence. 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pence. You could also use just 2 coins to pay for the ice cream. Can you think what they would be? It would be 5 plus a 5. 5, 10, counting in fives. Or 5 plus 5 equals 10. There is also 1 coin you could use. Let's have a look and see what that is. You could just simply use a 10 pence piece. Right, remember if we add on the chocolate on top, so we've got the vanilla, we've got the mint choc chip, and we've got the chocolate. Now if you remember, it was 14 pence. So if we look, we could use a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 pence equals 14. You could do as a multiplication, which is 2 multiplied by 7, because there's 7 coins, and it equals 14. You could write this as a repeat addition if you wanted. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 14. Can you think of equivalent coins to use? Let's have a look, see if your guess is right. You could use a 5 plus a 1 plus a 2 plus a 2 plus a 2 plus a 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 14. Can you think of a combination of coins that only uses 3 coins? Let's have a look. 10 plus 2 plus 2. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 plus 2 plus 2 equals 14. Another combination. 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 14. Okay, let's see. It's going to get slightly harder. Are we ready? New ice cream truck. Right, this one This ice cream truck is slightly more expensive, okay? And it sells a range of ice lollies. So let's have a look and see what the first ice lolly is. The first ice lolly is this green one, and it costs 25 pence. 25 pence. Can anybody think of what coins you could use to buy that ice cream? Right, I'm just going to turn my pen on, just 1 second. Right, so if we have a think, we could use a 20 pence piece. Okay, 20 pence would work. Not quite all, because remember it's 25 pence. So if we used a 20 pence piece plus a 5 pence piece, that would equal 25. Okay, we definitely could do that. Can you think of a different way? What about, can you think of a way using a 10 pence? Could you use just 2 pences to buy the ice lolly without any change, just the 2 pences? 10 pence, you could do 10 pence plus another 10 pence plus a 5 pence and that would also equal 25 pences. 25 pence. Could you use just 2 pences? No, you cannot use just 2 pences because 2s are even numbers and 25 is an odd number. It ends in a 5, so it won't work. So you could use quite a few 2 pences. You could do 2 pences, you could do multiply it. So if you had 12 2 pences, that would give you 24 pence. And then you would need to add, to get it to 25, you would need a 1 penny. I'm going to just do times 1 because that tells you how many it needs, equals 1, and then add them on. And that would give you 25. This here means you would need 12 lots of 2 pences, 12 groups of 2 to equal 24. There are lots of different combinations you could use as well. Let's just have a look as we go forward. So next one is this one here. Now, bit of a trick one. Now, we know that these 2 ice lollies cost 40 pence for the 2 of them. But what I've quite sneakily done is not told you how much the red one or the pink one, depends what colour you want to call it, how much that one costs. So let's get back to my pen and see if I can clear this all off. And we'll try it again. So get my pen and we will go to that one. So we know for a fact that this lolly over here costs 25 pence. So you can either get 25 in your head and count up to 40, or you can do a subtraction. Okay, now we're going to try we'll try and count up this time, I think. So number line, what goes at this side? The large number, the biggest number. The largest number is 40, so that goes there. Smallest number goes at this side, which is this one, 25. Okay, now we need to do some jumps, some hills, as we used to call them, sometimes call them, to get to 40. So I'm on 25. Right, okay, what's the next round number after 25? Right, I'm going to say 30. So if I put a line here, and I'll write 30 there. Okay, so what do I do to 25 to get to 30? So I'm going to do a jump. So next bit, count out 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm increasing it by 5. Okay, I've added 5 so far. Right, now I'm on 30. What do I do to 30 to get to 40? Right, well, it depends. You might know this straight away, but let's just sit for the sake, say we don't. I'm going to count. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. How many was that? That was a jump of 10. So now I've worked out, I'm at 40 now. So if I look at my number line, how I've done this, I can now work out the price. Now what you need to do is you need to add the two hills together. So this hill and this hill. So you've got a 10 plus a 5. 10 plus 5 equals 15. So this ice lolly over here costs 15 pence. Okay, everyone all right so far? Right, now, if both ice lollies cost 40 pence, what coins could we use to equal 40 pence? Have a think. I'm going to give you some clues as well. There are 2 coins, the same coins, that equal 40. Have a think what they are. There are also 4 lots of 1 coin that equal 40. Can you have a think what they are? And I'm also going to say there are 8 coins, the same coins, that equal 40. Can you have a think what they are? Right, let's start with the easiest part, the easy one. Right, what 2 coins go together to make 40? What 2 equal the same coins? Right, I'm going to tell you what they are. They are both silver. They are quite small. Not the smallest silver coin. It is a 20 pence piece. So 2 20 pence pieces equals, it's the same as 40 pence. 2 lots of 20 pences equals 40. So this might help you with this one. So if you need 2 20s to equal 40, you need 4 10 pences to equal 40. And the last one, it is the smallest silver coin you can get. It is a 5 pence. 8 5 pences equals 40. Right, now, you now have some more worksheets to follow this up. So good luck, and remember to wash your hands if you are using money, and be safe. Thanks a lot, everyone. Bye-bye.